Have you ever taken a very nice photo only to find out later that there is something or someone in the background that ruins the photo? Here are just 3 simple ways you can go about to remove that in Photoshop. Number 1. Use the spot healing tool. Now, this one works best if they are just blemishes or simple small areas that you want to get off. I usually use this when I'm dealing with retouching. I just get my pimples off quickly without having any troubles. If you try using the spot healing tool for something big, you are not going to like it. I mean, Photoshop is going to do a bad job at that. But this works best for blemishes. All you have to do is just click J, select the spot healing tool, move to the small blemish, try to get your brush as small as possible, click and drag over it or just click on it, and then voila, you are there. Number 2, content aware fill. Well, this works best if you are dealing with things that are much bigger. I mean, the opposite of the spot healing tool, right? So you're talking about animals or even people or even things in the background. What you can do is you can select your lasso tool, select around the subject that you are trying to get rid of, go up, select edit, then go to content aware fill. A new small pop-up window comes. What you can do is you can just go through a preview window so that you can make your adjustment to get it how you would want it to be. Solve the problem, what I'm interested in. Number 3, the clone stamp tool. Now this works best if you are dealing with things that are maybe kind of repetitive in nature, you know, like a pattern. What you can do is you select the clone stamp tool, you have your hand on Alt, select where you want to use it as your reference to correct the other side. You hold Alt, select that one, then you move your brush all the way to the place you are fixing and just paint over it with the reference, and then voila. Make sure you adjust the size of the brush and the hardness. Preferably you want your hardness to be around 50 or much more softer. I mean a softer brush. And then voila, problem solved. So guys, that is it. 3 simple ways to fix or remove unwanted items in your photo here in Photoshop. Is there any other thing you want to learn in Photoshop? Let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media, and I'm done what I do, guys. I'm going to catch you in the very next one. Peace.